Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole like a newborn, to speak it like a native. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 20 consonant sounds of Haitian Creole. We'll first look at the letters, the alphabet, and then the phonetic sounds of each letter. Then we'll give you 3 examples for each one of them separately. Here we go. B, B, CH, sh, D, D, F, F, G, G, J, J, H, H, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, NG, Ng, P, P, R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, W, Y, Y, Z, Z. These were the 20 consonants of Haitian Creole with their IPA sounds. Now, let's look at the examples. Letter B. Sound B. B. On. Bon. Bonbon. Cookies. B. Is. Bis. Bus. B. E. Be. Butter. Letters CH. Sound sh. Sh. E. She. Expensive. Sh. F. Chef. Chief or boss. Sh. O. Show. Hat. Letter D. Sound D. D. U. Do. Kind. D. O. Do. Back, like your back. D. Dun. Tooth. Letter F. Sound F. F. Fin. And. Like the end of a movie. F. U. Fou. Crazy. Lost your mind. F. O. Faux. Fake. Like faux nouvelle. Fake news. Letter G. Sound G. Always hard. G. U. Goo. Tasty. G. Wo. Guo. Big or large. G. Grand. Grand. Big or tall. Letter J. Sound J. J. Jean. How. Like qui Jean. How. J. Ou. Joue. Day. J. Wet. Jouet. Game. Letter H. Sound H. Usually used with CH. CH as in chire. Thorn. CH as in cheveux. Hair. CH as in cheval. Horse. Letter K. Sound K. K-I. Kai. House. Coin. Coin. Corner. Côté. Côté. Where. Letter L. Sound L. Very different from English, where it's pronounced with the back of the tongue, like L. That's the sound it makes in English. But in French, it's like with the front of the tongue, like you want to say la 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 la, L, L. L, loin, loin, far. L, o, lo, gold. L, ed, lead, ugly. Letter M. Sound M. a little less nasal than in English, but they make the same sound. But at the end of words, don't pronounce them as much. Just you have to stop briefly. Don't say men, say me. All right? It's o mo, which is word. Ou mu, soft. Moins, moins, which is I or me. Moins content, I am happy. Letter N, not N, quite different from English, but they make the same sound. Sound n. Ou, nous, which is we or us. Nous contents, we are happy. On, non, which means no, or your name, qui know, what's your name? F, neuf, which is new. Letters NG sound ng, just like in English, but usually used at the end of words. La, lang, which means tongue, or the language you speak. Tria, triangle, which means triangle. Marketing, marketing, which means marketing. Letter P, sound p, an, pan, which means breakdown. Note if you have p, it gives you pan, but if you double the n, it becomes pun, which means hang, to hang someone, right? Very different from pan. So pan, pan, pun, all right? Don't mix them up. P, wop, wop, which means clean. P, re, prêt, which means close or ready. Letter R, sound R. Remember, your mouth is supposed to be open. It's not like in English. It's R with your mouth open and then the sound coming from the back. R, R, right? R. The sound is R. R, un, rein, kidneys. R, as, race. Race. R, rouge, rouge, red. Letter S, sound S, saint, which means saint or breast. S, os, sauce, which means sauce. S, sang, which means blood. Letter T, sound T, train, train, which is train. T, as, tasse, which is cup. T, s, test, which is test. Basically the same without the T. Letter V, sound V, v, iv, viv, which is live. V, ev, vev, which is widow. Vrai, vrai, which is true. Letter W, sound W, just like in English. W, E, we, which is yes, written sometimes as the diphthong UI. Oui. W, E, we, which is si. Moi pas weli, I don't say him. W, ou, woo, which is wheel. Letter Y, sound Y, just like in English. Y, o, yo, they or their. Problème yo, their problem. Y, on, yon, which is a. Yon machine, a car. Y, ye, which is yesterday. Mwen te weli ye. I saw him yesterday. And the last consonant letter, Z. Sound Z, just like in English. Z, O, zo, which is bone. Z, zam, which is weapon. Z, zel, which is wing or wings. Merci en pile. Na wè prochaine fois. Keep on practicing. Thank you.